In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bleep swears in CapCut. Whether you're editing a video for social media, a professional project, or just something fun for your friends, there might be times when you need to censor certain words to keep things appropriate for your audience. The good news is, CapCut makes this process straightforward and quick. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to identify and replace swear words with a beep sound, ensuring your video is polished and audience ready. If you're new to CapCut, you can download it for free using the link in the description below. Now, let's jump right into it. First things first, open your video in CapCut and play it back. Listen carefully for the part where the swear word appears. This step is important because you'll need to identify the exact moment when the word starts and ends. The more precise you are here, the better your final edit will be. To make things easier, I recommend using headphones. They can help you catch subtle audio details that might be harder to hear on speakers. Once you've pinpointed the swear word, it's time to isolate it. To do this, use the split tool in CapCut to cut the audio track. Start by clicking just before the swear word begins to create your first cut. Then click again just after the word ends to make your second cut. This will separate the problematic audio from the rest of the track. Now, if your timing feels a little off or you're having trouble making precise cuts, don't worry. You can zoom in on the timeline for a closer look and fine-tune your splits until they're just right. Now that the swear word is isolated, let's move on to replacing it with a beep sound. Open CapCut's audio or sound effects section, and in the search bar type beep. You'll see a variety of beep sound effects to choose from. Select the one that fits your video best. For example, you might want a short, sharp beep for a quick edit, or a longer one if the swear word is drawn out. Choosing the right sound ensures your edit feels seamless. Next, drag the beep sound effect onto the timeline and position it directly over the isolated audio clip with the swear word. The goal here is to completely cover the swear word, so it's no longer audible. If the beep is too long, you can trim it using the split tool just like you did with the audio earlier. Alternatively, if the beep is too short to cover the entire word, you have a couple of options. You can drag another beep sound effect onto the timeline and align it with the first one, or if CapCut allows, stretch the beep sound to make it longer. Either method works, so choose the one that feels easiest for you. With the beep in place, the next step is to mute the original audio clip containing the swear word. Click on that isolated audio segment to bring up the volume controls. Then, use the volume slider to bring the audio level all the way down to 0. This ensures that the original swear word doesn't play faintly underneath the beep, which could ruin the censorship. Now it's time to preview your edit. Play back the section of your video where the swear word originally appeared. Check to make sure the beep starts and ends at the exact right moments, and confirm that the swear word is completely muted. If you notice that the timing is slightly off or the beep doesn't fully cover the word, don't worry. You can adjust the position of the beep or refine your audio cuts until everything lines up perfectly. Take your time here. Small adjustments can make a big difference in the final result. And there you have it. You now know how to bleep swears in CapCut. By isolating the audio, adding a beep sound effect, and muting the original clip, you can quickly and effectively censor your videos for any audience. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.